This is Lianne Gensler coming to you from ACR 2019. On the first day of meetings, there were definitely exciting areas to talk about. During the poster session in spondyloarthritis, I was so excited to see so many posters addressing gender differences in spondyloarthritis. This is clearly an important area that we need to study more as we try to personalize treatments for our patients with axial spondyloarthritis. Another area that was important is treatment options for our patients with spondyloarthritis. During the plenary session, guselkumab, which is an inhibitor of the P19 subunit of IL-23, was shown to be efficacious in a phase 3 study for psoriatic arthritis. This is an important additional option for our patients with spondyloarthritis, in particular psoriatic arthritis. In addition, a novel mechanism of action, an inhibitor of IL-17A and F, was presented in a phase 2b study in an oral session where it was shown to meet its primary endpoint in ankylosing spondylitis or radiographic axial spondyloarthritis. This is especially important in that we have such limited treatment options for those patients, even compared to our other disease states of inflammatory arthritis. The final area that was especially interesting over the course of the day was looking at radiographic progression in ankylosing spondylitis specifically. One of the areas that we've really struggled with is being able to measure radiographic progression because of the insensitive tool of X-rays. In both the poster session and an oral symposium, this was addressed by using low radiation CT scans, and I interestingly found that really the area that people progress and where the most burden of damage is in the thoracic spine. And so perhaps this gives us a window to really study only the thoracic spine as we try to identify radiographic progression in these patients in a more timely manner than the usual 2 years it takes to detect any change. As we think about the research generated from these studies, I think it will help us really optimize the outcomes of our patients as we help them modify their lifestyles, and we're able to develop more robust studies to really measure what is contributing to those outcomes of radiographic progression in these patients.